In this video, we will show you how to replace your heater and AC control knob on this Honda Accord. This will be located in the center of your dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll mention is it doesn't matter which one of these knobs you're doing, the process is the same. Carefully take hold of the knob and pull it straight out and away. If you have a hard time holding it and pulling it, you could carefully try to pry. Just be careful not to cause any damage. Just give this a little tug. Now as you pull that away, it's common for this center shaft to pull out as well. If that's the case, you can take hold of it and gently separate it. There it is, friend. Now we can prepare for installation. If this center shaft did come out for you while you were pulling out the knob, you'd want to reinstall it. It's fairly simple to install. You want to make sure you have the splined area facing in, and you'll also find that it is keyed, so it can only go in one way. We'll take this and get it in position. Just twist as needed, press it in. Now it's time to install our brand new knob. We'll have a look along the backside. Once again, you can see that it is keyed. We'll align this with the flat areas and push it in. Double check to make sure it's completely secured so it does not rattle around or fall off on you while you're driving down the road. The next thing you want to do is test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.